Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Adobe Express video templates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Adobe Express video templates, start by navigating to the Adobe Express website. In the top right corner, locate the Sign In button and click on it. You will see options for signing in with your Adobe ID, Google account, or Facebook account. Choose the method that best suits your preference. If you select Adobe ID, enter your email address and password, then click Sign In. For a Google account, click the Google option and follow the prompts to log in. If you opt for Facebook, click the Facebook button and provide your login credentials. Once logged in, you may be prompted to allow Adobe Express access to your account. Review the permissions and click Allow to continue. Now, you should be on the main dashboard of Adobe Express. To access video templates, look for the Create New Project button. Click on it and select Video. You will see a variety of video templates categorized for different themes. Browse through the available templates that meet your needs. When you find a template you like, click on it to open the editor. Here, you can customize your video by adding your own text, images, and clips. Make sure to explore the editing features available on the side panel. Once you finish editing, click the Download button to save your project. You may also choose to share your project directly from Adobe Express if needed. Always ensure you are logged into your account to save your work. This allows you to access your saved projects later. Now you are ready to create stunning videos using Adobe Express templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.